funded and focused feature. Gone are the days when you made a manual submission of your bid for a government contract. Now, electronic procurement systems require technical accuracy. Upload errors, formatting issues, or missed steps can disqualify bids. Businesses are encouraged to focus on practical platform navigation and double-check all uploaded documents for submission confidence. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, tried to do everything himself, and uploads failed repeatedly. With practice by himself and his team and expert instruction, Trevon's new approach eliminated errors and panic.